how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. Alright, so let's begin. So right now it says your files exceed size limit. And even if I had Discord Nitro, I could only upload 100 MB. So I'm going to show you how you can upload large files to your Discord server even if you don't have Discord Nitro. So what you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and open up a web browser, whether that be Google Chrome or whatever, and you need to go to a website called imgur.com. Now on here you can actually upload your video and then embed it into Discord. So it looks like your video is just in Discord normally. Now to do that you want to go to new post and you can then drop in your video. So I'm just going to get a video here. So I'm going to drag in my video here and it's then going to upload it to Imgur, and you can see here that it's uploading it fairly quickly to the website. I'm going to give it a title. I will just call it video and I'll just wait until it's been uploaded. So now my video has been uploaded, you can see, and we can play it here. So now what we can do is we can just go ahead and copy the link and then we can head back to Discord. So now we're back on Discord. All we can do now is paste in that link into our server or any server. Click enter and it will actually show that video and it will look like we've just uploaded it to Discord. It will show the video and automatically play it. So that's basically how you can send large files on Discord without Nitro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.